As of 2021, approximately 8.4 million people worldwide were living with type 1 diabetes, and studies say that this number could double to 17.4 million by 2040. It was estimated that 3.1 million people could have survived if they had received better diabetes care, and 700,000 deaths could have been prevented if their conditions had been diagnosed in time. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra, an Ayurvedic doctor with 15 years of clinical experience, and in this video I will make you understand type 1 diabetes in a very simple way. We'll understand what happened inside your body and how Ayurveda understands this condition. But before we begin, here is something very special for you. eBlosis is offering a free personalized Ayurvedic health report. Discover your unique body type, dosha imbalance and toxin level in just few minutes. Click the link in the description. Take control of your health today. So now let's uncover type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is a chronic condition in which the pancreas produces little or no insulin due to an autoimmune response. It typically appears in adolescence but can also occur in children depending on how many beta cells, insulin producing cells are called beta cells, in the pancreas become non-functional. The onset of a symptom usually corresponds to an 80% reduction in the beta cell mass, meaning by the time symptoms appear, the pancreas has already lost most of its ability to produce insulin. Since the body cannot regulate blood sugar properly, symptoms include increased thirst. The body tries to flush out extra sugar through urine, making you drink more water. A frequent urination, you may find yourself rushing to the bathroom often. Excessive hunger, because the cells aren't getting fuel, the body keeps signaling that it needs more food. Fatigue, cells don't get enough energy, so you feel exhausted all the time. Blurred vision, unlike type 2 diabetes, which develops gradually and is often linked to lifestyle disorders, type 1 diabetes occurs suddenly and requires insulin therapy for life. Let's understand this with a simple and a clear example. So imagine your body is like a big city, and your cells in the body are houses that need electricity to function. The food you eat gets broken down into glucose, that is sugar, which acts like electricity that powers your city. However, this electricity can't enter the houses on its own. It needs a special key called insulin to unlock the doors. Now, insulin is made by a small factory inside your body called the pancreas. Normally, this factory works smoothly, making insulin and ensuring that glucose enters the cell properly. But in type 1 diabetes, the body has issues with its immune system, which is supposed to protect us from diseases, mistakenly attacks the pancreas and destroys the insulin-making cell. It's like soldiers mistakenly attacking their own city, the power station. So it can also happen without any well-known reason, that is idiopathic. When this happens, the pancreas stops making insulin, the keys which are required, and without insulin, the keys glucose, which is electricity, cannot enter into the houses and it's stuck in the blood instead of going into the cell. As a result, the cell don't get the energy they need to function. Too much sugar stays in the blood, leading to complications. In Ayurveda, type 1 diabetes is referred to Sahajparme, a condition present from the birth to genetic predispositions. In ancient texts, describe it as a result of Bij dosha, defect in the sperm or ovum, which can be influenced by the parent's diet and lifestyle. If the mother consumes excessive sweet, that is madhurasa, foods and drinks, or follows imbalanced lifestyle during pregnancy, doesn't know when to eat, how much to eat, when to stop, right time of a thing, it may contribute to the development of diabetes in child. Dosha imbalance, primarily kapha dosha is aggravated, leads to involvement of many other tissues, leading to improper metabolism and inability to process glucose efficiently. So what is my conclusion? Type 1 diabetes is a lifelong condition, but understanding it through both modern science and Ayurveda can help manage it effectively. While insulin therapy is essential, Ayurveda focuses on balancing doshas, enhancing digestion, and strengthening overall vitality. So now I would like to hear from you. Have you or your loved one once noticed any of these signs? Share your thoughts in the comment box. Also, don't forget to claim your free Ayurvedic health report. The link is in the description. So if this video helped you, tap the like button. If this video helped you to understand type 1 diabetes with simpler explanation and understanding, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more insight on holistic health and Ayurveda. Take care, rest well, and stay healthy. Like I always say, lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.